Hi guys, in this video we will see how to download, use and install Microsoft Loop app on your Windows 11 system. Microsoft Loop is used for real-time team collaboration on flexible canvases called loop pages, which can combine text, tasks, files and other content. Here is downloading process. Go to Microsoft Store, open Microsoft Store in your Windows 11 system, open it. Here in search field type loop and open as appeared result Microsoft Loop. Here you will find Microsoft Loop features, think, plan and create together with Microsoft Loop, and some other features also available here. Click on get to download it. It will take some times. Getting ready. This is very important feature of Microsoft, real-time team collaboration on flexible canvases called loop pages, which can combine text, tasks, files and helpful in creating a project and connected with your friends. Once downloaded and installation complete, click on open. Microsoft Loop page will now open. You can see think, plan and create together, such type of its feature. Meet Loop, your AI powered workspace for seamless collaboration. Click on get started. You can easily create a project, stay in sync without switching apps, get more done right where you are with loop components that sync across your devices, all tasks, taskbar, task tracker, various features available here. It will describe here. You can connect it with your friends, you sync your projects. So you can easily start Microsoft Loop app in your Windows 11 system. How to use Microsoft Loop and what are the other features after downloading and installation. It also supports Copilot feature, make progress together or apart. So these all are the feature. Work together wherever, whenever. Don't let time zones, commutes or work style performance stop collaboration. Communicate your ideas, async and stay in touch while you are away. So simply go to the top of the page and click on get started. Get started with loop. Click on it. Click on get started. Here you will ask to log in with your Microsoft account. Choose your Microsoft account. Use your password or PIN. And now you are successfully logged in with your Microsoft account. Microsoft Loop page open. Such type of features. You can easily update its cover. Click on update cover and a lot of its cover styles available here. Choose any one of them as per of your choice. And finally click on update. Your cover page will now update it. Now you can create and use with any project. Various feature available here. This is the loop page. You can create a new project, expand, search, notifications, reset, ideas, various type of features available here. We are the Loop team and we are very excited to welcome you to the Loop app. The getting started workspace will help you get up to speed on how to use Loop. So all other instructions how to use Loop app will available here. Microsoft Loop is a cooperation app which enables you and your team to bring all the parts of your project together to facilitate and collaborate across the app and devices you already use. It's a new way of working. So you can easily create a project here and also connect it with your friends. New workspace. If you want to choose new workspace, create a new workspace, choose a title or icon as per your choice. Choose a title. And click on create. Your new workspace is successfully created as your name assigned. You can also choose a new subpage, and if you want to delete workspace, choose delete. Choose a workspace name, how to download and install Microsoft Loop app. And finally, you can share this with your connected friend. Page link or loop component. You can also choose page link, otherwise choose loop component, and you can share this page link with your friends. You can also add a cover to your newly created project. Choose add, and this is your workspace, and you can easily work here, create ideas, create your page. Notifications, recent ideas, all other project, all your project saved project will available here. You can add or create a new component. So Microsoft Loop is basically a project. It will help to create a project. You can also go to settings, and various settings available. Choose a dark theme, otherwise light theme. How to change your Microsoft Loop theme? Here are the process. 3 options available: system, light or dark, accessibility, auto dismiss, languages, editor, storage. Microsoft Loop will sync with your OneDrive app. If you want to log out from Microsoft Loop, simply click on your profile icon and choose sign out and click on leave page. That's all.